Okay, so we got to clean out the garage and put the generator in. Cut. We bought this one. We're taking the APU off and gonna figure out something to do with this. But let's unbox the Whynter 2350 watt inverter generator. It's supposed to be ultra quiet. Very well protected in this box. I got this on Amazon for like $340 or something like that. It was on sale. It comes with a funnel and I'm not sure what that other thing is in there. Tools. Okay. Awesome. Let's get this out. Here she is. I didn't have hands-free on, but now I do, so here it is. You can parallel these, meaning you can add more. There's your grounds. Definitely a lot smaller. There's an eco mode. You turn that off when you're starting it. Everything's closed off, so that's how you get to the spark plug. Guys, my right arm is messed up. I don't know what I did to it. Yeah, everything hurts. Pressure on it. Swear you check the oil and put more in. Yeah, I guess I shut that off. 8mm, 10mm spark plug tool with the thing to make a T-handle, and then a flathead screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. I don't think I need to put oil in. I think it already has it. We'll find out. All right, here we go. So we got the oil. I stopped and went to the gas station, filled up all the cans, and then filled this up while I was there. The oil we're getting is 5W30 full synthetic. That covers the entire temperature range, and even the other generator said that that would be fine. So let's put that in there and fire her. Full synthetic all the way, baby. Okay, it held less than half a quart. So I actually went over and then dumped some out, and then ended up dumping it in a bottle. Let's fire this up. What do you think? Sequence, make sure it's off. We're gonna do choke to start, pull it out. Obviously fuel on. I don't think we have to prime it or anything. Oh, this has got to be turned on. I think it'll just go. Let's find out. Oh. It's supposed to sound like a quiet conversation. Definitely way quieter than the other one. Here, I'll put a load refrigerator. Eco mode, you see what it did? It seen what it needed and it cut down. Let's go inside real quick. Let's see if it'll do the microwave for 2 minutes. Hey, you hear it crank up? Now we just need it to work on this baby here. Okay, so it's working with the microwave. I've got the cable kill the microwave. Oh, that's not good. That was an overload. Alright, let's try it again. Just the refrigerator. Green light. It's highly annoying. I hate that it does that. There's the back. Oh, the AC is going. I'm gonna pull the cover off. And we want air conditioning. It's working. Let's see if this works though. Yeah, I think it's running. Now we're talking. It's handling it just great, guys. Listen. It's not very loud. Kind of happy about it. I am sunburned today, guys. Okay, so I got it for what I want it for. I don't know if the refrigerator's running at the moment. We can make the refrigerator run. Let's open that. Got a couple. Oh, that's gonna have to go get washed. Cool. So this runs at 1600 to 1800 watts when it's running the compressor. And the refrigerator does not run very much at all. But the problem is that it's only rated for 1900 watts continuous. So far though, we've gotten air conditioning finally in here. Like, I had to turn the fan way up. Oh, that feels good. Our mateys. All right, it works. See ya. Here at the auction yard, and you guessed it. You guessed it. The trailer is junk. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? And it was only a one. I didn't read the rate con all the way. That's my fault. Look, the door's about to fall off. Major damage here. Substantial damage. I can't even get a load on this if I wanted to, but I didn't read the rate con all the way, and I was only allowed one load for 5 days. So that's fine. You know, that's my fault, but I expected a trailer. You know, I expected a trailer that I could, you know, safely use. Make sure you do that. Okay, we're in the truck. We're at a truck stop. I've got my handy dandy AC heater thingy and got the generator running outside. Let's see what happens. We're gonna give the million-mile truck a break. Hear the generator out there just barely being loud enough to be annoying in my opinion, but maybe not. Put your drip pan here. Real quick, I wanted to show you my catcher here. Check it out. Water slide. I've got to attach these because they go out the window. All right, there they are. Now let's fire this up. So on my generator, I only have the refrigerator and the air conditioner. Awesome. We'll turn fan speed up when we get a second. And we're just gonna max this sucker out. Let's go outside and hear what it sounds like under load. So much more quieter than my truck when it's idling. Check it out. Bicycle chain. Got it far away from the tanks. 2 feet, 3 feet. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna be sitting in comfort. This has been a long video, like long time making it because I messed up and bought huge AC unit, but I need it because whenever I get something else going on in here, I can keep that. For my other project at home, we're gonna build a garage type deal, and I'm gonna have that in there instead of a mini split because it's more than enough, supposedly. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. There's gonna be more. I'm gonna have a box for the generator to set in and put a fan on it. There's a couple people I've seen online that did stuff like that. Also gonna have a jumper that's always connected with like a backup battery pack to kind of like help keep, because I'm still using the generator or the truck batteries to run, you know, obviously the lights, the TV, the box fan, stuff like that. So why not have something that's like powering the batteries a little bit. All right, these things right here will help knock the heat out a lot. They're shiny on this side. So, dude, I already feel that cool air. Ha! Until next time, you know what it is. It's this trucking life. Ha! Fuel 1.06 gallons. Supposed to last for 8 hours. One night it probably did, maybe 7. Woo! I'm freezing, guys. We're gonna take the trash out, and I got a small update for you about the generator. So check it out. Once it cools down, we'll just a little bit more. It's still gonna warm out. We'll shut it off. You can't even hear it over the idling trucks. I've got trucks all around me idling. There she is in all her glory. Just the update is I only run one thing off of it now, and that is the air conditioner, because even with the box fan, it pushes it too far. But we still got several hours of work left, and The surging idle is as easy as not using good fuel or weak fuel, I guess. Again, guys, 2,000, God, I wish. 400 subscribers. I'm getting a shower here in a minute. Hey, greasy skin. Wow. 400 subscribers. Thank you, everyone, for all that stuff. Really owe my fame to a very small handful of YouTubers. Cash is King, DIY Semi, F8 Truckin. Thank you guys, putting me on there live with you and talking about me sometimes. Just trying to drag this video out as long as I can, I guess. That's kind of my thing. Everybody's got their own thing, you know. And mine is, let's see how long this video can get. Tour of the truck. Oh, I guess another quick update. We wanted to update for a few minutes. Kind of got really upset with Amazon, and completely their fault, not mine at all. And say whatever you want. I'm not burning a bridge. It's just, I'm not going to go over that bridge for a while. Basically, real quick, they I had a trip. I think I've already said this. I don't know. Well, anyways, we're going to hear it again. So I had a trip that involved many loads. You know what I'm saying? About 2,400 miles, I think. It was like 5 days. I had woke up that morning and saw that, you know, I looked on the loads and saw that they changed something to bobtail, and I'm like, oh, that's awesome, you know, that's less fuel I'm gonna have to take. Then I got to looking, and on the very beginning of what you see, it'll show the pay, you know what I'm saying? Like it takes everything and just makes it real easy to read, you know. Pay was $99, 4 cents a mile. So I'm like, wow, that's messed up. I'm going to contact somebody because I'm not going to take a load. I'm sorry, I'm not going to take 2,400 miles for $100. And long story short, no one would help me. The best they would tell me, the best they told me was to run the load, run the trip, and dispute the pay on the invoice that I would get. I'm still battling it out because that hit my performance really hard because I canceled the run right hours before, just a few hours before it was supposed to go. So, I couldn't get help. I talked to so many people on the phone. I was on hold, I was on emails, hours, no help. No help at all. So, that's what's up with that. I'm with Schneider. Been running a lot of power only with Schneider. This is not the click and go stuff here. I have a broker and he's sorry, it's just really weird staring at this little hole in my screen over here. I could stare at myself, but that's annoying. Hey, if it's annoying for me to stare at myself, then it would be annoying for you to stare at me as well. Yeah. But anyways, with Schneider, I've got a broker, and we kind of pick loads for me together. You know, I'm like, hey, I'm over here and I've seen this on the app, but either it doesn't have a price or it's just not a good enough pay. What do you think? And yeah, this is working out. It's still a major pain in the butt to find empty trailers, or, you know, because you have to, for free, you have to move their trailers. Like, you have to go get an empty from somewhere before your load starts and then take it there. And at the end of the load, or whenever you're done with, you know, you're going to be done for a couple days or done for a week or whatever, you have to take that trailer somewhere else on your own dime, which is usually close to where you're going, at least, or where you're coming from. Whatever. It's still, well, I'm going to find out. This week I've only done Schneider, so I'm going to find out if it's worth it. I'll do all the numbers and stuff like that. And yeah. Yeah, Amazon takes, you will get the invoice, the week's run Monday through Sunday. You'll get that last week's invoice on Wednesday. So you'll do all the running, and then 3 days later you'll get the invoice, and then you'll get the check the day after. I get the check the day after. My bank will give it to me, but usually it's 2 days for most people. if you're not, you know what I mean? After a certain amount of deposits, my bank's like, okay, you get early pay, you know, so they don't hold it or something, whatever. That's it, guys. My truck is a mess, a freaking mess. I was gonna go live, and I'm not too enthusiastic about, you know, communication. I do it on my own terms. That's why I'm a truck driver, and that's why I'm doing a recorded video. So I don't gotta talk to nobody, because I'm really just bummed, man. I just need out of the truck. Like, it's not worth it being away from everybody like this. I don't care how much money you're making. But we play hard when I'm home, so that's all that matters. Oh, somebody's getting backed into. Gosh, I hate nerve-wracking things like that, backing in. And I'm at the Pilot in Fort Wayne, outside of Fort Wayne, by, I think it's 33. Let me see here. Really, you're not gonna show me? Yeah, by 30, 469 and 30. And it's a tight area, man. Like, you gotta be seasoned. I'm not seasoned. I've done so much pull-through parking. Yeah, so there, I'm bobtail. You seen earlier. There's like 4 of us over here on this corner. We took it over. Bobtail corner. Okay, now I'm just rambling. I'm gonna go get a shower and watch some more Alone on the tube. And guys, comment, like, share, subscribe, please. 400 subs, man. 400 subs. Hey, maybe I'll go live Friday.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our life tonight.